Hello everyone, my name is Harshali Nimche. Today I am going to explain the concept of Python operators, which is an important topic in Python programming. Operators are symbols that are used to perform operations on variables and values in a program. They help programmers perform calculations, comparisons, and logical operations. Python operators make programming easier by allowing us to perform different tasks such as mathematical calculations, comparing values, making decisions in programs. Some common examples of operator are plus, minus, multiplication, division, greater than, and logical operators like and, or. These operators are very useful when solving programming problems. There are different types of operators available in Python. These include arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, assignment operator, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. Each type of operators is used for a specific purpose while writing program. As arithmetic operators perform mathematical operation, comparison operators compare two values, logical operators combine conditions, assignment operators assign value to variables, bitwise operator work on binary numbers, membership operators check if value exists in a sequence or not. Identity operators compare memory location of object. Each type of operator is used for a specific purpose while writing programs. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For example, if we write a program where a equals to 10 and b equals to 5 and we use the plus operator to add them, the result will be 15. This operator helps programmers perform calculations easily in programs. Second one is comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. For example, if a equals to 10 and b equals to 5 and we check whether a is greater than b or less than, the result will be a is greater than b. These operators are useful in programming when we need to check conditions and make decisions. Second, next is logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions in programs. For example, if we have two values, true and false, and we use the AND operator, the result will be false. Logical operators are very important in decision making and controlling program flow. Next is its engineering knowledge and problem solving. Python operators help engineers perform calculations, analyze problems, and design logical solutions in programs. They are used in many applications such as data processing, algorithm design, and software development. Using operators properly help in solving complex problems efficiently. So the conclusion is Python operators are an essential part of programming because they allow us to perform different operations on data and help us build perform different operations on data and help us build efficient programs. Thank you.